Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener, and today we're going to be planting some Tom Thumb lettuce seeds to put in place of where we've been picking some, and I'm going to be planting them into this new seed tray which is made out of rubber from tree resins. It's made in Sri Lanka, or this resin was grown in Sri Lanka and made in Sri Lanka. So it's tree rubber, so it's better for the environment, less harmful gases and byproducts let out when it's been made. So I'm going to be using multi-purpose compost and a dibber and some lettuce seeds to plant up some lettuce into this rubber tray. So now what I'm going to do is fill this up with some multi-purpose compost I've got in my potting tray. I'm going to press it all down so it's nice and firm. And just do once over some more compost. And there we are, and now I just need to give it some water so that the seeds go into damp soil, and I'll be back in a second. So I've given it a good soaking, as you can see. So now I'm going to get my dibber, or you can use a pencil because it's a bit fiddly with the smaller pots. But I'm going to use a dibber just to make small holes, well, one hole in each module. And then I could put the seeds in here. I'm really going to put 1 or 2 seeds per module because these Tom Thumb seeds are really good at germinating. So if there's 2 in each one, I can thin out the least healthy and leave the other one to grow bigger, and then I'll transplant it into my salad bed, which is over there. Okay, so now I've done that, get my Tom Thumb seeds here. This has been a great variety to grow because they're really fast at germinating and they grow quite fast into heads, but they don't really go to flower too often. So I'll just get a couple seeds in each hole. So because these seeds are quite small, I'm getting more than 2 in because it's quite difficult. But I'm trying my best to get as little as possible in each hole. At this time of year, you could well sow them straight into the ground, but I like to do it like this because I can get all my rows perfectly lined up then, and I like to have a perfect vegetable garden. Try and get most of them back into the packet so there's no waste. There we are. So I'll put that back in the packet so I can use them again when I need to plant more. And then what I'll do, I'll get my soil sieve, and I'll just tap some fine soil over the top and then leave it. I won't need to water again until a day or two after, because this is already damp. So I'll be back in a minute with my soil sieve. So here's my soil sieve, so I'm just going to put it over the tray and put some compost in it and just shake it over the top. There you go, that's how you plant some lettuce seeds into a module tray like that. Thank you for watching, I hope to see you next time.